Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul and today we have another unboxing. This time actually thanks to one of friends of the channel and Haroon from Watchmate. I'll link his Instagram in the description. Thanks Haroon for lending me this watch to test. After posting a video about the Bulova that I unboxed, he got in contact with me and he said he has a really nice Bulova and he was asking if I told him I really wanted to try it out, but I don't have the capability to get watches now other than the ones that I have on Amazon that I could try before you buy. And he was kind enough to lend me his watch from his personal collection. And yeah, so thanks again, Haroon, for lending me this watch. So let's get down to business. So as you can see, we have the Bulova, and we have here the box. Let's put the paper on the side. Wow, looks really nice. Even included the original strap with it, which was quite nice from you. Thank you so much. And the bracelet as well. So we have the carton, very nice quality. Emblem from Bulova. We have here the instruction manual. Close it like this. Let's check out the strap. I think that's a supplied strap, as you can see from Bulova. I think it's a stamped calf strap, and even you have here the Bulova logo on the clasp. So this is the reference number 96A242. It's called the American Clipper. So let's put this back where it was. And maybe take this off as well. Put these on the side, and here is the watch. So, oh, even plastic on the back as well. Nice. So here we go. So the watch has a really nice vintage look to it. It reminds me of 30s, 40s watches. Blue is the new color that I'm really into right at the moment because of my new work. I think the bracelet I would definitely change. I'll put it on something else. Let's see what. But let's start with the dimensions. So dimensions of the watch is the 39 millimeters diameter, lug to lug 46, thickness is 12, and I think it's it's 20 millimeters lug width. So, and let's see if there is lume. So we have lume pips, as you can see. After the indices, you have small lume dots and lume on the hand. So it's self-winding, that means it's automatic, as you can see also from the back side. Let me take the bracelet off so we can view that easier. So don't want to scratch his watch because this is not my watch. Usually I'm not so careful when I'm using this for my watches, but other people's watches are different. You have to be careful. So perfect, we talk this out. So here we can see in the back side the automatic Miyota movement. It's reference number 821A. So it has hacking, hand winding, and hacking, as you can see the second stops. And there is no ghost position. So as you can see, smooth. Let's get this. A little bit of finish on the movement. I like this this rotor. Looks really cool. It does go only one way, this Miyota. And in the review video, I will be going through all these stuff and putting it on a time grapher and all these. So it has water resistant. I think maybe it's 30 meters. I have to check, but again, I will cover this in the full review video. Anyways, I'll put it now on a strap and show you a couple of wrist shots. And as you can see, we have polished all over. And I understand Haroon liking to the watch because the watch looks fantastic. I really like also the lugs. I have a couple of watches that has these kind of lugs that articulate to the downside, so it gives it even a larger feeling, like the Nomos, for instance. So let me put it on a strap and come back. So on this Paralon strap, I think it's a very good combination because of the vintage look and the shape of the lugs. Let's see, I have a 17.2, around 6.62 inches, so a medium-sized wrist. And like I said, this watch is around 39 millimeters, 38 point something. And lug to lug, like I said, also 46. So it should wear quite nicely. It articulates outside, so I think this strap is not the best one to put it on. So I'll try it on with another strap. Another strap, and the same issue, that the lug here is very yeah, it does have a very weird construction that I think it might be better to put it on some kind of leather. Anyways, don't want to make the video longer. Put it on different straps and try it out. So in the review video, we'll definitely see it on different kinds of straps. We'll also check the accuracy of the movement, the Miyota, and really like this domed mineral crystal. Looks really nice. That's why also it's 12.7 millimeters, very thin for an automatic movement with a domed mineral sapphire, which is alone maybe a couple of millimeters, as you can see from the side profile. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this watch, please leave them in the comment sections. This is an invitation to like, subscribe, and as well check out Haroon's Watchmade Instagram. Great shots, a lot of watch blog stuff as well, so check it out. Thanks again, Haroon. Thanks everyone, and hopefully see you in the next one. And don't forget, the button to subscribe is there, and you might find two interesting videos on the left and on the right.